They're on a 5-game losing streak. They're the Yankees. They're going to be fine.
My goodness, Mike. Did you see where that ball went? That ball tagged out toward left. Way back.
A monster 3-run home run for Trout. 3-time MVPs are showing why. Boy, he must feel pretty good with that.
He's done it again.
Trout mashed that one.
He's the greatest of all time, man. It's been fun to watch. And every time he comes to the Bronx, man, he puts on a show. It's fun to be a part of those games when you're on the winning side.
That's the side the Yankees found themselves on Monday night. Welcome back to First Week, a wild one in the Bronx. Trent Grisham had a huge game and hit a homer to tie it in the 9th, his second. And then the Yankees went on to walk it off on a wild pitch. But the big story here was this slug-off that we saw between Aaron Judge and Mike Trout, both stars with 2 home runs each. Stephen A., who had the more notable performance on Monday night? Was it Trout or Judge?
I don't give a damn. That is not what I'm here to discuss on this particular quick segment here. It's nice to see Judge get a couple of home runs. The Yankees' bats have not been impressive. Their pitching has been, but it is not. But on behalf of myself, baseball lovers everywhere, and I'm going to dedicate this quick take to my boy Jeff. My man Jeff, one of my best friends on the planet. That lives out here in California, my man Jeff Brown. I'm going to dedicate this, what I'm about to say, because he just said it to me the other day. Can we call Mike Trout out? This is one of the greatest talents we have ever seen in the history of baseball. Yo, Mike Trout, we love you, man. We can't get enough of watching you when you're healthy, which seems to be rare these days, because that's what we see you do. Can you demand a trade? Can you get tired of giving the impression that you just chilling in Southern California? Anaheim is great, it's beautiful, it's a great place to live, and all of that stuff. So you find the Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim have not made the postseason, Courtney, since 2014. Mm-hmm. They haven't had a winning record since 2015. So you ain't been to the postseason the last 11 seasons, and you haven't had a winning record for the last 10. And we're talking about one of the greatest talents we have ever seen bless a baseball uniform, consistently be home at the end of September, and doesn't seem to mind. Yo, what's up? At some point, Mike Trout, I mean, damn, the Angels ain't doing nothing for you. Shohei Ohtani came after him and left before him. And the man's got 2 World Series championships. I mean, winning matters. The money's the money. You're going to always get the money. You're Mike Trout. Could you demand a trade, please? Could you get someplace where we could see the greatness of Mike Trout playing in October? Because it ain't going to be with the Angels. They haven't had a winning record since 2015. Oh, by the way, what is their record this year? So far, 8-9. This mediocre. Already starting out. It's April, and we already know y'all gonna be mediocre again. But he isn't. He's great. We need to see it, man. If that ain't the place for you, if you want to win, but it is the place for you if you're perfectly comfortable with your lifestyle, going to work every day, doing your job, being surrounded by mediocrity, and going home in September. What's up, man? Somebody got to say this about Mike Trout. What's up? Yeah, you got to demand a trade out of there. Get the hell up out of there so you can get someplace and we can see you win. Could you do that, please? That's all I got to say.
Somebody's you, Stephen A., because he's been there since 2011, longer than that streak of not being in the postseason, and he seems comfortable, I guess, being there. But